Welcome to Subramani. Today I am following a completely different format. I am going to reply to questions which have been asked, and I have the questions coming on email or WhatsApp or largely email. So let me read out the questions and give you the answers. This is for retirement examples you have given for younger people. I want to know what is the solution available for 45 to 55-year-old who have not been able to plan in the past. Suggest some way to make corpus at this age group. Name is Sandeep. It is very rare that you reach the age of 45 or 50 and you have not invested anything at all for retirement. You may not have made any provision saying this is for retirement, but you would have some investment, some saving. It is almost impossible to have reached that stage unless you have spent everything on some medical emergency or something like that and exhausted it. Now, if you have got up at 45 or at 50 or at 55, first of all, take heart. There is still scope for you. From 45 to 60, you have 15 years in which to invest. Yes, you have to invest very, very aggressively. You have to be very careful that you can't afford to lose money. You have to be careful that you don't prioritize others over you. Because you're starting so late, it doesn't mean that you can still afford children's education and all. You can't. You can either provide for this or you can provide for that. The other way to look at it is, if you're earning very well, then you can reduce your standard of living. The other thing one more thing which you can do is postpone your retirement age. I mean, I'm assuming it is optional that you retire a little later. Maybe you retire at 65 instead of 58. So you got 20 years in which to invest. Or if you have a job which will not let you postpone, then look for another job, maybe at the age of 57 or 58, which will last for another 10-12 years. So maybe till 70 if you can pull. What all this does is, from 45 to 70, that is straight 25 years, it allows you to compound your money. And it also means you will not touch your retirement income or the corpus creation till the age of 70. So at 70, you will start living on the interest that you have accumulated on your principal. You will put it into senior citizen savings scheme, Pradhan Mantri Yojana and all those things. And therefore from that you will get some income, assuming that you are able to put away, say, 60-70 lakhs in all the schemes put together, actually 60 lakhs for you and your wife. On that you will get about 5 lakhs of annual income with which you will have to learn to live. And there will be not much of tax considerations, etc. So these are the things which you can do. Remember, it is never too early nor never too late for your retirement planning. So don't think, oh, सब हो गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ, आपके पास अभी बहुत टाइम है. Thank you.